allowed to do this.
Yeah, that's legal.
Yeah.
One slice of cheese on my sandwich, and like 7 minutes later, my stomach's like. Within 10 minutes, I had to shit. I almost shit my pants. I got this sticker, stole it from Gage. I'm gonna go put it on my shitty power stroke. What's not cool about a shitty power stroke and shitty stickers?
You're really gonna need a towel. You're gonna need to unlock that. Hey, this must be Joey's truck. A couple Bud Light seltzers, Trulies, batteries because you're broke, so you can go sell them at the gas station. Are you really gonna use that glove to try to dry the window off?
I am. Worked just as good as my sleeve. Okay, I got a blanket. This is Maxwell's.
Looks like a towel. Do you want an actual rag?
No! Shut up.
That's not gonna work.
Fucking like dog cock, it's not. Got some rain pants. That just made it worse. What about the inside?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to wait for the rain to go away.
I think I'm just gonna stick it on.
It's not gonna work, it's wet.
Oh my god. Are you being so...
Alright, let's go in. Till next time.
I hate the rain. Sweet boat.
Sweet boat.
Larson?
Larson Senza.
Senza?
Yep. We're here in the garage.
You got this Rolly Rose PBR hard coffee. It makes me want to throw up.
And the issue that I'm fighting right now is my exhaust keeps falling off because it's gigantic. So it just vibrates and then it falls off. Check it out.
Man.
Yeah. It's only 10 inches. That's it. Definitely not compensate.
Are you gonna like put it up farther or what?
I need to weld it on again. So that's what we're doing. So anyways. Here we go. Okay, here's that. Gotta pull the wheels out.
Don't worry. These wheels only weigh 900 pounds.
Yeah.
And you gotta lift them with nothing but back. You even driven this thing since you put brakes on it?
Once.
Nice.
I broke the brakes in.
Broke the brakes.
So
Break.
they're braked in.
You break the brakes. Break in.
Yep.
Broke the brakes.
So anyways, they stop.
Nice.
That's what they do.
Nice.
Alright, let me grab my light. Where's my light?
Oh, you said it was over there.
It's somewhere around here.
Is it in your truck still?
Yep. Wow, look at you, Joey. This
Wow.
is what you're here for.
Look at that. Just lit up. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's even got a guard on it.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
I have a kid. I'm a dad now.
Oh yeah, Gage is a dad. He's really got to get his life together.
Call me Pappy. Well, when you can't find your safety glasses...
You put on the safety face.
Cutting this little tiny tip off.
Yeah, it's tiny.
Hey, ask me if I care.
Hey Gage, do you care?
No.
Yeah, I don't know how to carry this.
Pretend this is my exhaust.
We are pretending.
So when my tip's on there, my exhaust is in this hole, but it sticks in probably halfway into the tip, so I'm not getting the full echo of the tip. So
Yeah,
I'm going to go down
sure.
there and I'm going to cut the end of my exhaust to where it's shorter. That way my exhaust only sticks in about this far into my tip. That way my truck is louder.
Firing up the fucking Craftsman here.
Yeah, you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Step number 1. Give her the sauce.
Cut, there was some weld up there.
Yeah. There's a plasma cutter on Amazon for $149. And it's 110, so it just plugs right in.
We will take it. More cutting.
I'm gonna use this, Richard.
Richard.
Ah, that doesn't.
Oh, you're so stupid.
Yeah. But according to today, you're allowed to do this.
Yeah, that's legal.
Yeah.
I guess.
You can do it in public too.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
You can also shoot heroin in public. Welcome to Seattle. Yeah, Richard. Nice.
Here's your sign.
What?
I gotta wash my hands.
Oh my god.
Next step.
Wash it. Hello. Fuck TSO. Texas Seaman Octagon. Your tip is like the same size as your baby, just without arms and legs.
Ah.
Well, Johnny, what do you think?
So, GoPro died, but anyways, I don't know if you can see it, but got the tip on there. Got it on there. It's welded on. It'll never fall off. And that's what the inside looks like. Don't mind all the shitty. Yeah, it's okay. It'll all turn black anyway. But that's what it looks like when you're compensating.
Can't relate.
Yeah, Joey has no exhaust.
I don't know how to compensate for shit.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.